Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just an updated video today to show you some Cookie Run Kingdom codes for September 2025. These are by far the best codes, guys. I spent a long time searching Google, searching YouTube, trying tons of different codes, and I've managed to find some awesome CRK coupon codes that you are simply going to love, guys. You can get tons of free cookie cutters, you can get free gems, unlock all cookies and more, guys, using these Cookie Run Kingdom coupon codes. And this tutorial is basically going to show you how to go ahead and get them for yourselves. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile. I recommend just using the phone that you play Cookie Run on. And what you're going to want to do is just open up the internet browser and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly. You can pause the video and copy the address down here if you need to. But you've probably seen this website before because they actually have codes for hundreds of different games, which are absolutely awesome. These are by far the best codes websites. So what you're going to want to do is just search in the search bar for Cookie Run Kingdom. And at the minute, there's 4 different verified coupons. You can see they're being used today. Hundreds of people are using these daily, and they're really highly rated as well, with 17,800 almost 5-star ratings. I've just given it 5 stars because I've already done this. So scroll down. You can get a bunch of different codes, including things like free gems, unlock all the cookies. So this is going to get you every single cookie in the game. And this is a code for 300 fateful cookie cutters. So that's an awesome one. So you just select the code that you want. And you can see this confirms your choice. This is a really popular code. So click on show full code. And it's going to look for a CRK coupon code for you to use. Okay, so your coupon code is ready. And essentially, guys, it is currently protected and locked because these are limited codes and they're pretty desirable considering the amount of resources they give you. It does limit 1 of these codes per person, so you do need to unlock your personal code. So click on get full code here and just follow the instructions on this code unlocker, and it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. Now you're going to have a list of tasks that are all completely free. These are basically like sponsored tasks. So these like applications sponsor cold coupons and allow them to provide these codes. So it's all completely free for you. You just need to make sure you follow the description for each of the 2 tasks that you decide to pick. And they're really easy things like installing TikTok, open it up, run it for 30 seconds. Or if you already have TikTok, you can choose different ones. But yeah, complete 2 of them. And if you do that, guys, it will reveal your Cookie Run Kingdom coupon code. So your full code will be shown in this box here. And this will say unlocked. And you can grab it, redeem it in-game. And that is going to supply you, in this case, with 300 fateful cookie cutters. But like I said, guys, you can get other things like gems and unlocking all cookies and other rewards as well. So yeah, these are the best Cookie Run Kingdom codes in 2025 for September. So go to Cold Coupons and just find this page, guys. If you need any help, leave a comment in the comment section below. Smash the like button on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.